Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a banana bread bottom caramel cheesecake. This dessert is a melt in your mouth combo of creamy vanilla cheesecake and the moistest banana bread you've ever tasted. Plus you get two delicious treats in one. I'll be sure to throw a link to the full recipe down below in the description where I'll share all my tips, all my tricks so you can bake up your own delicious banana bread bottom cheesecake right at home with confidence. And if you want even more delicious, simple desserts that you can make right at home, be sure to click subscribe down below and click the bell to turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on this delicious cheesecake because I am so hungry. So we'll start by adding 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of allspice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we're going to go in and just give all those dry ingredients a nice little whisk. Once you have all those dry ingredients whisked together, scoot that bowl to the side, grab another one, and let's begin on our wet ingredients. By adding in a half stick of butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, and a 1/4 cup of oil. Now let's go in with our hand mixer on a nice medium speed and begin to work our butter and our sugar and our oil together until it has a nice crumbly texture. Once that's nice and mixed, we're going to begin adding in our eggs, and we're going to do 1 egg and follow that up with a teaspoon of vanilla and then give that a little mix with our hand mixer, and then finally adding in our second egg and then back in with our hand mixer and incorporate that last egg with the rest of our wet ingredients. Once you have your egg mixture nice and mixed together, let's go ahead and add in mashed bananas. Now for me, I like a strong banana taste, so I'm using 4 mashed bananas. If you want more, definitely add more. If you want a little less, definitely add a little less. Either way, just add your mashed bananas in and begin to work those with your hand mixer. Once you get those bananas right into your wet mixture, we're gonna go ahead, take our dry mix, and we're gonna just add that right into the same bowl. And then turning our hand mixer to a low speed, we're gonna go ahead and begin to work that dry mixture into our banana egg mixture until it is just combined. After everything is mixed together and nice and incorporated, let's go ahead and pour this batter into our prepared pan and then smooth it over with a spatula or a spoon or a knife, whatever tool you have in your kitchen, so you have a nice even layer of banana bread batter as it bakes in the oven. When you're ready, just pop that into your oven for a good 45 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees. So our banana bread has baked, it's cooled, now it's time to start on our cheesecake layer that's gonna go right on top of that banana bread. So let's grab a mixing bowl and add in 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese at room temperature, and then go in with our hand mixer on a medium-high speed. Follow that up with a half cup of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla before going back in with your hand mixer and finishing off your cheesecake mixture. Once you have that nice smooth cheesecake topping, go ahead, grab your banana bread, and in that same pan, without taking it out, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add right on top this creamy, velvety, smooth cheesecake layer. So make sure you get all that cheesecake goodness right out of the bowl with your spatula. And then just smooth it over in that same pan right on top of your banana bread. Once you have that nice smooth cheesecake layer right on top, grab some caramel and then we're just gonna go ahead, pop that in a piping bag and pipe on some dots of caramel. Now you can stick with the dots, or if you want, you can just do just a straight layer of caramel. Either way, once you're done with your caramel layer, you wanna go ahead and just pop this in the fridge and let it chill and set for a good 3 hours, 2.5 at the minimum, but we wanna give our banana bread cheesecake enough time in the fridge to really set and firm up. And once you let that set and chill in the fridge for a couple hours, that's it. You're done. In a couple of quick, easy steps, you have a perfected banana bread bottom delicious caramel cheesecake. And all that's left to do is to top with, of course, some delicious homemade fresh whipped cream, and because who doesn't love it, some chopped bacon right on top. Alrighty, well thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make a banana bread bottom cheesecake. That's a mouthful. But if you're a fan of banana bread or a fan of caramel, cheesecake, definitely be sure to give this video a like. It really helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. Plus, if you want even more delicious recipes that you can bake right at home with confidence, be sure to click subscribe down below and click the bell to turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a brand new recipe. And if you make your own delicious banana bread bottom cheesecake, it's such a mouthful. Be sure to give a tag on Instagram, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather, enjoy some iced coffee and this cheesecake. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.